How do you understand your car battery test report? This video provides a detailed explanation of a typical 12 volts car battery's battery test report. When you take your car to a garage to have the battery tested, they typically use a piece of equipment called a load tester. Once the test is complete, they will provide you with a receipt and advise you to either keep the battery or replace it. What's up? Do you feel confident about understanding the values or terms mentioned in this battery test report? Let's dig into them today. What is the meaning of the value associated with the term voltage? This load test is conducted with the car's engine and electrical circuit turned off. Under the specified conditions, the voltage should measure above 12.4 volts for a battery to be considered healthy. If the voltage value falls between 12 volts and 12.4 volts, the battery is in abnormal conditions. If the voltage drops below 12 volts, the battery is at risk of sulfation, and you should replace it as soon as possible. What is the meaning of the value associated with the term battery energy? State of charge, SOC, is another term for this. SOC percentage indicates the amount of charge or energy the battery holds compared to a new battery. In this case, the battery energy is at 48%, indicating that the battery capacity has decreased by over half from its original condition. What is the meaning of the value associated with the terms set rated value and current? What is CCA? CCA stands for cold cranking amps. When the ambient temperature decreases, the battery delivers progressively less starting power. CCA measures the battery's ability to start an engine in cold climates. CCA indicates the number of amps a 12-volt battery can supply for 30 seconds at minus 17.8 degrees Celsius before the battery voltage drops to at least 7.2 volts. Let's analyze the condition of this battery. This particular brand new 12 volts battery has a CCA of 340 amperes. However, in this case, the CCA has decreased to 250 amperes, indicating a significant degradation of the battery's capacity. What is the meaning of the value associated with the term resistance? This measures the internal resistance of the battery. A lower internal resistance generally indicates a higher capacity. Over time, an increase in internal resistance may indicate a decrease in battery capacity or degradation. A typical 12-volt sealed lead-acid battery has an internal resistance of 3.0 milliohms when brand new. Here, the internal resistance has increased to 10.81 milliohms, indicating significant battery degradation. What is the meaning of the value associated with the term life? This is also known as the state of health, SOH. It indicates how quickly the battery will drain. The lower the SOH, the quicker the battery capacity will be exhausted. When using a standard battery tester, a battery with an SOH above 90% is considered to be in perfect condition. If the SOH is between 75% and 90%, the battery life is considered good. If the SOH is between 50% and 75%, it is considered bad. If the SOH is below 50%, the battery should be replaced as soon as possible.
So, after considering all the values mentioned above, the battery tester indicates the battery status as caution. Now you can easily check your battery status by simply taking a look at the battery test report. Sounds easy, doesn't it? Hey, friend! If you found this helpful, could you do me a favor and give it a thumbs up and share it with your buddies? Thanks a lot! If you love watching helpful videos for all the wife's technicians out there, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thanks so much for tuning in.